YouTube, Troystarz trucking. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video, we're just gonna, just in case, this is a just in case video. Just in case you're, you have your Mack truck and you blow a bulb and you want to know what bulb to buy, it is right here on the glass. If you look clearly on the glass, I don't know if you guys can see, but on the glass here, on the inside, there's a writing of what type of bulb it used on either side. So for on the left, I-beam, so this is the FH, right? And you can see it said HB3A. HB3A comes in another code, and for the low beam it's a HB4A, right? So for the dim, it's HB4A.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
It comes in other codes. And if you look at this, I only buy the low beam because my low beam was how can I say this? My low beam light was blinking. So normally when it's blinking like that, sometimes it's on its way going, right? So I just went and I had to just buy replacement just in case, right? So on the low beam, it is 9006, if you can see the 9006 at the top. But if you look at the bulb itself, like under the bottom or under the bottom of the bulb, you will see the HB4 right underneath there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but HB4 right underneath. So that's all you see. And this is what, $18 for these two, right? For the indicator, well, the indicator and park light in one. So now the park light is on this side. You can see the park light is on this side, and okay, the park light is on this side too. So originally the park light wasn't on one of the side. I don't know which side it was, but I went ahead and I buy spare bulbs for the park light and indicator. So it's a park light and indicator in one, right? This code here is 3357. So it's a 3357 for the orange bulbs for the park light and indicator for the Mack truck. So I'm gonna leave this link in the description. This video is just a video, just in case your light went out and you didn't know what bulb are out to buy a bulb for the Mack truck. Here it is. This is just, that's what this video is about. If this video helped anyone, please leave me a comment, you know what I mean? And thanks for tuning in. There's a boy Troystarz trucking.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.